Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an kublay phi baro kinigilongi khubor bamta kasni. Marek Guga u resource architect na Slovakia ulapan pau baga pine home project klasha penwandur da kababu hakmat ya ka jingpenne ya ka mariang. Da ka penyaso ya ki mar ke badan hasnong ka jing start tynrai bar ka rukam shnayeng ka bayaha ba ka jinglong ka sunmeneng ha Meghalaya. Habakran syakilat pathai khubor hamaulangbir uguga uloong ba udap da kajing sngongo ba layo benta bansnai gani ka project ha Meghalaya bad ba ka kinhon kala persyang ban penen kam kat bala yaki mar ke beyo na gani ka thanhi ngila persyang ban penen kam yaki mar ke beyo na gani ka jaka kum ka doyong kle na ka jaka hi bar ki wei pat ki marshnong ka concrete pad ngi penen kam tang na ga benta ka jing khlanjong ka jing tei uloong Ula batai ba ka project ka penun kam yaki lai teligi benta ba kongsan jeng ka jeng tei bentau ya ka rukam shna ka bene bar ka baya day bar ka mariang. Da ka ba penun kam ya ka reinforce concrete kum ka benta ka ba kongsan jeng ka jeng tei bar ya ka doyong lem bar kiwe ki mar mariang ha ka jeng tei ya ki kenro bar ka jeng penne ya ka jeng saat. Uloong ha ka jeng penwandur ya ka ying na bu jeng mudru ya ka jeng long ka mariang ha Meghalaya kam tam ka jeng yok slap ka bajur bar ka jeng long ba ka ni ka than ka ka ba syakta na ujumai. Shua bantangi ka jeng penkre ngila puli benya iki ying Khasi tynrai bar ngila wat jeng tip syapang ki rukomishna ying jeng ki jaka ki beyo slap bon tam ha ka perthai. Ngila Shim ye shibun ki jengmut ki babhan na ki rukomishna tynrai ulaong. Ugoga ulaong ru baya ka ying na kentiu kham shidrong na sla kendo kenang ban ailat ya ka bantuit ha ka porslam balashnaru ya ka tunum ying ka bajrong shabar banya da na uslap bajar. Ula benrap baga benta ka badan hapreng jong ying ka bakum ka jakading kadai ka jingmut ka Shim na ki ying Khasi tynrai. Ngila ya trailang berkipat ba shnong bar ngila nang bon ki syapang ki rukomishna ka bayadai bar ka mariang na ki kani ka project kam dai tang syapang ki kon na ki buit na ka rijongi hendai kadai syapang ka jingpenon kam ya ka babhatam na man la ki mar bar ka jingpen yaso ya ka jing start shnong bar ki rukom thamai ulaong. Long shu baki mar mariang kum ki plaster bashna na ka kendo yong ki long ki ba kongsan ban penyat ya ka jingkhuj bar ka jingkhuj jengkal air hapo yeng bat ban thau ya ka jakasa ka ba koj ba khya.
Okay. Hello. So my name is Marek Guga. I come from Slovak Republic, from Europe. I'm an architect, and I'm very grateful that I have opportunity to design Pine Home for this nice region of Meghalaya, Mokorvat, and we designed it in the most ecologic way as it gets. So we used as much as it was possible the local sources, like the clay. It's just from the plot where is now the lake. Local wood, concrete, just for the reason of main structure. We used green roof, like returning the nature what we take in the form of meadow of local plants on the roof, and we worked with the local people which made unburned bricks, plasters, and learn so much about how to build the ecological way. So maybe we used three main materials that together creates one very stable building. So RCC is used for main structure, and then the envelope, like the walls and interior, is used by clay, local clay, and additional with wood. It's quite very stable for earthquake resistant building, also because of the simple shape, like the disposition is square and circle, and there is we use like triangle, like the architectural form, like synergy of these main shapes. Create very stable and also somehow interesting structure. Before the process of planning, we make the research about Khasi houses, Khasi culture, about this region, what is the most rainy region in the world, I think, with some South America. And we took from classical or native Khasi houses few interesting ideas, like the building is above the ground because of the water, and the air can flow, the cold air can flow under. Then roof overhangs is especially because of the rainy season, and for us it is important as interiors that also exteriors under roof. And in the middle, the center of the building is like fireplace used for cooking and heating, and we take it from the traditional Khasi house, like the Khasi fireplace that people can sit around open fire. So we somehow integrate it into process, and like techniques we used from our country. It's not like specifically just for our country, but it's about how to use the best from each material. So, for example, the clay or unburned bricks and plasters are very good, like for water management, like for humidity management. That it can takes the humidity from the air in the and also
طبعا بينك وتنقل كاسمع ولا يقول بس بقى كامل يعني شنو والله خلينا اوبا يعني اوبا قال لي اوبا كل يوم اوبا قال يا كاشين في انتو لكن اين يس لو سكت المصوب قال لي ها بيد نكسك ها بس لو بقول لك الناس نقول طبعا ما بقات مسكينه ولكن كسرين هات مسكينه كم ما يقص لك وهي كاشر لك هي صوت والله يا اخي كنت ابلغ هذا هي نهي نهي كده مش مصلحك يا مرة بقول لهم قال كده ونقول هي هي بعد ما كنت بينك هي هي ملك صار مش كده ما كنت بينك يكسي أنا بقى الموضوع بقبل الله هي نهي نحوي مش هي بعد لا بقى نقول بعد ما شوف نصو بس كان عندي يا حبيش نقول طب مزروع تكبير بيحوش نكبر كنا يا وقت بيسلا يستخدم وصنيا تاكنك تاكنك دبني
Abjak bikinir no balkio no jam balak ngai kindak bisdakin no kon ak dahat naw nik bani rak abjak palas jan abjak yes kapirak abjak bikai ngir no bias produk ongos makak ngos dulu nakahangol alat an sidakin nakabiing
Harus itu